Police tape and measuring tape are the only physical signs of the murder at Cotton Village Apartments early Sunday morning, except a shaken, tight-knit community.
We go in and out each other's house and stuff, you know, just like we all one family, and try to help one another. It's shocking.
Roy Hawkins has lived in these apartments for 7 years, and when he heard the gunshots, knew something wasn't right.
I got up and looked outside, and I seen all the lights flashing outside and everything.
Roy says one of the men involved in the arguments ran back here behind his house to try and protect himself from the gunfire, but was shot and killed just outside his door. Today, he said he can picture where the body laid.
When he opened the door, that's when I saw him laying there.
Still etched in his mind.
Just didn't expect it.
And neither did anyone else who lives in this small city of 511, including the mayor of 10 years.
The whole community is shocked that something like this has happened. I was born and raised here. I'm 41, lived here my whole life, and this has never happened within the city limits.
Making a senseless death even harder to overcome.
We're trying to stick together, even for the one that did wrong.
And leaving a community to heal. In Snook, Jenny Walsh, KAGS HD News.